Hello, I'm Wolver, and today I'm going to show you how I built a fully automated Telegram bot that finds anyone across 500 plus platforms and accepts Solana crypto payments automatically. This isn't just another bot tutorial. This is a complete automated money-making machine that runs 24/7 with zero manual work. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to build something that makes money while you sleep? Something that runs completely on autopilot? Something that people actually need and will pay for? That's exactly what I built with WolverEye Bot. It all started with a simple problem. I wanted it to find people online. You know how it is. You meet someone, you have their username, but you have no idea where else they exist on the internet. Are they on Twitter, Instagram, GitHub, TikTok? You have to check each platform manually. It takes forever. So I thought, why not build a bot that does all the work automatically? And that's exactly what I did. I sat down with Python and started coding. 3 weeks later, WolverEye Bot was born, a Telegram bot that searches 500 plus platforms instantly for any username. But here's the thing, I didn't just want a bot, I wanted a business, an automated money machine that runs itself. So I added crypto payments, specifically Solana. Why Solana? Because it's fast, cheap, and perfect for microtransactions. 99 cents for 30 days of premium access, paid automatically, verified automatically. No human intervention needed. Let me show you how it works. Open Telegram, search at WolverEye Bot, hit start. Look at this interface, clean, professional, dark mode, buttons that actually work. Type /search followed by any username. Let's use John Doe as an example. Boom. Within seconds, you get results from 5 platforms: Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, GitHub, YouTube, all with working links. Click any link and you're on that profile instantly. That's the free version, and it's already useful. But watch what happens when you upgrade to premium. Click the premium button, 99 cents for 30 days. That's it. Choose Pay with Solana. The bot instantly generates a wallet address and a unique payment ID. Now here's where the automation kicks in. The bot connects directly to the Solana blockchain. Every 60 seconds, it checks for new transactions. When it detects your payment, it automatically activates your premium access. No waiting, no manual approval, no fake checks, just pure automation. Within 60 seconds, you get a message. Payment verified. Your premium is now active for 30 days. And you get a transaction ID. You can verify it yourself on the blockchain. Complete transparency. Now here's the crazy part. With premium, you're not searching 5 platforms. You're searching 500 plus platforms. Let me list just some of them. Twitter, Reddit, TikTok, Twitch, Pinterest, Discord, Medium, Dev.to, Keybase, Mastodon, Steam, Spotify, SoundCloud, Bitbucket, GitLab, CodePen, Hacker News, Product Hunt, Stack Overflow, Quora, Bandcamp.last.fm, Behance, DreamBB, Figma, DeviantArt, Patreon, LinkedIn, Snapchat, vcontacty, Tumblr, Flickr, and hundreds more. 500 plus platforms, one search, instant results. Think about what this means. If you're a recruiter, you can vet candidates in seconds. See their GitHub, their LinkedIn, their Twitter, their actual work, all before you even call them. If you're a journalist, you can investigate sources instantly, see their entire digital footprint, posts, comments, connections. Research that used to take days now takes seconds. Peace of mind for less than $1. If you're a parent, keep your kids safe. Type their username, see every platform they're active on, know what they're doing, who they're talking to. If you're a content creator, claim your brand, see where your username is taken and where it's available. Secure your identity across 500 plus platforms instantly. This tool works for everyone. So here's what I want you to do. Right now, open Telegram, search for it WolverEye Bot, hit start, type your own username, see what comes up. Then try someone else's username, a friend, a colleague, someone you're curious about. See the power for yourself. And if you want the full experience, spend that 99 cents. Upgrade it to premium, search 500 plus platforms, see the difference. The link is in the description at WolverEye Bot. If this video showed you what's possible with automation in crypto, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel because we build tools like this every single week. Leave a comment. What username are you going to search first? I want to know. The bot is at WolverEyeBot.link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Wolver, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.